Hello sweet friends, and welcome to Carol's Craft Cottage. For today's video I want to share with you a snowman project that I did, and I went hunting in my Sizzix dies to see what I had for snowmen, and I came up with these, so I wanted to share with you these dies even though I didn't use every single one of them. So before I get started, let me just say, if you are new or this is your first time here, my videos feature lots of paper crafting ideas and tutorials. If this is something you enjoy, won't you consider subscribing? And to all my returning friends and subscribers, welcome back. You mean the world to me, and I appreciate your support and comments. So some of these are quite old, and my advice is to play with your stash. You probably have some of these. So I used the word believe in this Sizzix set. And I know I have another word set that I will find sooner or later as I go through my things. And this one is called Holiday Word Script. And I do like the font on this and the size of the word. And it is 660058. I also have this. And I'm not sure where I got this. It looks like it's a Spellbinders die, but that's what I used on the covers of what I did. And then on the corners, I used this little cherry lin die. It's called a Lace Corner Deco B, and it's B162. And like some of these dies are really old. I'm not even sure if you can find them anymore. Maybe on the secondary market. I used this die. This is from Sizzix, and it's a Biggs die. And you can see I live in the South, and the little stickers come up from the humidity, even though it's in air conditioning. This is called Assembly Snowman, and it's 658770. I've had this for some time because you can see it says Hobby Lobby on here, and Hobby Lobby hasn't sold Sizzix dies in a while. Then I have this little guy from Sizzix, and he is called Mr. Frost. He is 665581, and this is the thin dies. This isn't like this thick die. And then this one here, which is really cute, made up. This is also a Sizzix colorized Thinlits die, and he is called Mr. Snowman. And he is 664230. And then I made this guy up, but he was too big for my project. And this is quite an old die. You can see it says A10179. And he is called Snowman and Hat. And this is him made up. He's really cute. But I didn't use him because he was too big. But he would make a nice notepad if you wanted to cut a bunch of those up and use it as a notepad. So I stuck them in here because I'll use them on something else. And then I did not use this one either, but this is something else that's been in my stash for a while. And it's just called Snowman. You can see how old it is because the Sizzix is color. They don't do that anymore. So it's 656299, and he's just called Snowman. And he's also a Biggs die. So let me show you what I made. I just wanted to show you those. This is one of the Sizzix dies. Isn't he cute? And you can see these are the cherry lin corners, and I cut them down because I didn't want it too much gold on there. And then I got the background piece, and then I just cut some circles and mounted my snowman on top of the circles. Now I have lots and lots of layers. The colorized dies do have lots of layers, and so I used some foam and extra cardstock to layer it up. And they have cardstock on top of cardstock, so some of the layering pieces I used glitter. And then open up inside, and I have a snowman notepad. And then again, I put these little cut aparts in here to use as tags or for whatever reason, just to dress it up. And then here is another one. This one is, let's see, the one I just showed you was Mr. Frost. This one is Mr. Snowman. See how cute he is? And this is where I used the word believe on top of him. Whereas I have a different die that says Snowflake Wishes that I used here. I made them a little bit different. And then I cut the background in green and the cherry lid in green. And these have lots of layering on them. They're kind of fun to put together because I like detail. And you can see there are like 4 layers in this mitten. If we can focus. There's a background layer of red cardstock, and then on top of that is a red cardstock, just a plain red cardstock, and then a red glitter cardstock on top of that, and then white for the fur on the mittens, and a white glitter on top of that. So there's lots of layering. You can even see the layering, which is supposed to represent snow, on the button. There are 3 layers in the carrot nose, and there are several layers in the hat. And I just love it. I think it's really cute. So he's roly-poly, just like the snowman inside of here is roly-poly. And then I have some cut aparts in here. This is the next die that I used. Let me show you this one. He's really cute. It's this right here. And you can dress them up or dress them down as much as you want. So there is a little holly leaf on the die. So I just cut 2, and then I put the little foam balls there to represent the berries. And you do get the piece to decorate the hat. And of course I used some glitter. In his scarf I used some glitter, and then I thought I'd use a bigger foam ball to decorate his scarf. And I put the word believe on top of him. It came out cute. And there's this snowman notepad in here with some cut aparts that match the paper. Really cute. And the last one, this is the one I was going to put the bigger snowman on, and I'll show you. I didn't realize it was too big until after I made him, and you'll see how big he is. Look at how big he is. He would have covered up everything. Wow. So I put Snowflake Wishes up here. This is a die I've had in my stash. And then this sticker comes from Dollar General several years ago. I've had it in my stash, and it went perfectly with the paper. So I used it. Cute, right? The paper is really cute. And that paper is older. It's this one right here. This one. Be merry. Be joyous. Had this for a long, long time. And I've had several pads released different years that are almost the same, which is this one. This recollection pad, which says Christmas Noel, has the same paper in it. So I just wanted to share that. And then you open this one up, and here's the little roly-poly snowman pad, and I put some cut aparts in here. So that's my project for today. I hope that you enjoyed it, and it gives you some inspiration to make some notepads of your own. The little snowmen come from Current Stationery. I'm not sure if they're still available. I've had these for a while, but I did want to drop that in here in case you're looking for notepads. Go there. They have some cute ones. So until next time, remember to sprinkle kindness like confetti wherever you go. And until the next video, happy crafting. Bye-bye.